Are you tired of compromising on the quality of your meals or ordering takeout because you don't have time to cook, do dishes, or go grocery shopping? Well, say hello to Front Porch Pantry. These meals make your life easier and tastier. They're crafted by skilled chefs with nutrition in mind, so you can indulge in delicious, balanced dishes made of the highest quality ingredients. Oh, and there are no frozen dinners here. With Front Porch Pantry, they're always fresh, never frozen, and delivered straight to your door. Just pop them right in the oven or microwave for a few minutes, and you're ready to savor a mouth-watering feast. I honestly cannot get enough of these flavors. Chicken, steak, seafood, and more. Every bite is to die for. Personally, my taste buds went wild for the Marry Me chicken. It was pure bliss. So why settle for less? Upgrade your dining experience with Front Porch Pantry. Discover the convenience, the mouth-watering flavors, and the joy of having more time for yourself.